All right, welcome back. Welcome back. I wanted to discuss where you go and look for your families when you first get started in Revit. Well, you need to go to your account. We go back so you guys can see it. When you go to your account for products and services for your account, you'll start to go back out a little bit. I'll go back to home. You'll see I'll go to product and services. And when you go to products and services, what you'll see is you go to the different softwares. And what you're going to do is you're going to go out to where it says Revit, right? And then you're going to go view details. And once you go to view details, what you're going to see instead of sitting install, is going to tell you the latest version of Revit where they are right now. And then you're going to see the different years and what the different things they have to offer. And as you can see, you got updates, as you can see here. So that means it's things that's already a part of your Revit. Okay. Then you got extensions. These are all add-ins. These are things that help Revit function. I would highly recommend that you go into your add-ins aspect. Like I said before, IFC to Revit, InfraWorks, a lot of different tools that'll help you, share reference point for Revit. And then if you go to any of the release notes, when you click on it, all right, it'll tell you the description. I'll tell you what you're missing and everything else. Okay. Tell you what it's going to be about. Highly recommend getting those. And also too, as you can see here, if you go in the plugins, some more different things, right? You got the Autodesk Exchange Connector for Revit. This is the one, to me, is a really good one as well too, because this is where you can start using Power BI, start leveraging data from the ACC, BIM 360 Cloud, start really showcasing the data that you want to look for. Really powerful tool. This is where you'll find it. Then you go to libraries. And then you got a new one right here. You see this? It says US English Residential Content Pack. And for the longest, when you start Revit, it's always a lot of different content, but also too, you'll see the different content for the different languages as well too. So super important to understand where all this information is in Revit. All right, for your MEPs, geometric content, your imperial content, all this information lies here. If you're looking for it and trying to figure out where all this information is you go into your products catalog and you go through these different extensions to find your different information. This is the latest one that I just brought up right here for the residential content. Highly recommend you download this information because, like I said in the past, we was lacking content. There you go. Here's commercial more content right here, US English. So if you're looking for your content, you're looking for your plugins, you're looking for your extensions, you're looking for your updates. Now everything is in the software. Okay, when you go to click details, this is where you'll find it. Okay? Thank you.